Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Paneer Paratha. Paneer Paratha is a northern India recipe and now in southern part also it has become famous. I have got a cubed paneer. So I crumpled it. If you have a bar of 200 grams, you can just grate the paneer and make stuffing. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make Paneer Paratha. It's a very easy and simple dish. Just 2 parathas fills your stomach. Onion raita goes well with this. No need of other type of gravies. Already paneer is stuffed, so then it becomes heavy. This is 400 grams of crumpled paneer. I am adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of jeera. If you have omam also you can add. Turmeric powder little, half tablespoon of chili powder. You can add 1 tablespoon also if you want more spicy. Mix everything nicely. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add required amount of salt. Now the paneer stuffing is ready. Already I have prepared a dough. So I have taken 1 small ball of dough. I am dusting that with wheat flour, flattening it. Paneer is rich in protein. It helps to build your teeth muscles. Wheat has high fiber content, so both paneer and wheat gives us a full energy on that day. I am using Amul paneer. You can even use homemade paneer or other brands available in market. Place paneer stuffing according to your roti size. Close it and then again flatten it as per the video. With 400 grams of paneer, at least 4 people can eat. This is a very healthy paratha. This is a mild paratha with very less masalas. I have added ginger, jeera. If you don't have jeera, you can add omam also. I have made in a very easy digestible way only. Mostly you can consume this for lunch or morning breakfast. In 2 big chopped onions, I have just squeezed lemon and added salt. That only I kept as side dish. Now place it on the hot tawa. Apply ghee, butter or oil as per your taste. Flip both the sides till it gets cooked. Yummy paneer paratha is ready. From kids till adult, everybody can consume this. Cook paratha in a medium flame so that it won't get burnt. With 400 grams of crumpled paneer, you can make 15 parathas in a medium sized shape. Just one day skip rice. Try to eat this paneer paratha. See the video, like, comment and subscribe it. Add less amount of butter or ghee. Excess butter or ghee leads to get cloyed.